Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Boy here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box episode today, guys. This mystery box is gonna be $2,000 from Soul Supremacy, so you guys know it's gonna be a good one. $2,000 in mystery shoes, and that box is right over here today. I do want to say before I open this up though, that if you guys aren't familiar with how the web store is working now, untitledboy.com, basically, if you guys see any of the shoes in this mystery box and you guys want to buy them, they're only going to be available for members. So there is a join button down below the video, whether you're watching on your phone or on your desktop. If you hit that join button, it does have all the information about how to become a member, and the drops always happen at a random time on Saturday. So check that out if you guys do want to cop shoes. The price on the screen over here is actually what we're selling it for on the website, and the price over here is the competitive market value. With all of that out of the way, let's see what we got in this mystery box. $2,000. The first one out of this one, it looks like a pair of true blue 3s, and I think this is the 2011 one. Size 10, it is a 2011 true blue 3s, and I mean, it shows that it's a 10-year-old shoe. This thing is pretty beat up. As you guys can see over here, there is a lot of paint chipping on the midsole, a lot of yellowing on the back heel as well. You can see that. That's a very, very yellow heel tab. Inside, a lot more chipping. There is good amount of toe box creasing over the top as well. The leather and stuff on this is still good, and I think that this one will go for probably less than $100 for sure, so it's a good steal in my opinion. Okay, next up, oh, I can't remember what these are called. Size 11.5 though, 2018. And this one, dude, this one is actually kind of beat. 3-year-old shoe, very, very beat. The suede upper on this is pretty worn down. I don't know how it gets this worn down in a matter of 3 years, to be honest. This thing looks like it's been through the washing machine. There's supposed to be some like embroidery print on the back that you can't even see because the suede is so bad. Midsole has a lot of yellowing, there's a lot of scuffs on this, and overall, dude, I would say this is like a 6 out of 10 shoe. For people that are looking for steals, that's what I would recommend, right, is buying worn shoes. And then if you put the time and effort to clean it up, you will actually get a lot more life out of it, and you save a lot of money in the process. It does look like we have one last shoe without a box, and this is a personal favorite of mine, a pair of Jordan 4 Breads. Now, gotta make sure that this isn't falling apart. Look at this. You guys see that? Look at that. Put the laces in here to keep this in place. That could have been real bad. This thing can snap, that's why it's really just plastic. So yeah, we got to keep that nice and tight. This one is a size, what size we got? Size 10.5 though. Whew, my size. And honestly, one of my favorite Jordan 4s on the market right now. Out of the 3 shoes so far, I would say this is the one that's in the best condition. It is worn. Bottoms you can see over there, dirty. Not a lot of star loss though, not a lot of heel drag, but the upper pretty intact. There's no paint chipping on the midsole. Upper looks not too bad, right? I don't see any scuffing. There is a minimal amount of toe box creasing. Other than that, looks pretty good though. Okay, now we can get into the shoes with boxes. Here is a box I've not seen before. What is this? A LeBron? What? Where's this front? Dunk High Pro SB, and it looks like it's a size 9 according to the box. I still do not know what shoe this is. Collab it has to be. Okay, I'm gonna guess. I think this is a Dunk High stained glass is what they called it. And I wanna say that this one is brand new, so that would be good. I just really have no clue what the value of this one is. You guys see it on the screen though. I don't know if I would wear it, but it's very unique for sure. So this one does look to be in dead stock condition. I don't even know what the upper is made out of over here. It feels like a plastic material. Honestly, it actually feels kind of cheap, which is not good. And as the name implies, there's like a stained glass look throughout the shoe. No dirt or wear on the bottoms over here. So yes, a brand new shoe. You never complain with dead stock sneakers. They do move really fast. It's just, I don't know what the demand of this one is. It is very unique, but dude, maybe a little bit too unique. It's just not, I'm not getting it. I'm not getting it. Wow, okay, another unique box. This is a Concepts collab. Dunk Low Pro SB. I don't know what the size is. It's not circled on this, but see what I mean by that box? Concepts logo on the top. This is a nice box too. Yeah. Ooh, okay, I remember this one, but we never got it in this. I guess this is the special box. We've gotten this shoe a couple times in the past, but we've never gotten it in this box. It is in brand new condition, never worn, it looks like. Does come with the extra laces in here too, padded inner lining, and also that Concepts logo inside. Yeah, I don't see any dirt on this. It is like a pink sole bottom too, which is kind of cool. And one of the things that I did find in there was that it does have like these little, I don't know, lace locks, I guess? I don't know, this was one of the extras in here. This is a very interesting shoe. Another shoe that is not from me, and I wanna make sure I mention the size. This one is a size 9. It wasn't on the box, but size 9 Concepts. Now we can get into one we probably do know, because this is an off-white box, swoosh over the top, and a size 11 Nike Air Vapormax. Boom. Oh, okay. Dude, I never really like these Vapormaxes. Every time I see them in a box, They look so interesting. Like, I like the color blocking and stuff. It's just Vapormax technology for me. I don't get behind it. It doesn't feel comfortable. I don't know if it's just my feet, but I've never gotten behind this shoe. Additionally, for this one, it is in worn condition, but in very lightly worn condition, I want to say. Not a lot of like damage at all on this. Even the bottoms don't look that worn. So you guys can get a lot of great value out of this because it is slightly worn, so you don't have to pay that DS pricing. You will pay a lot less for the worn pair and save a lot of money that way. Also looks like it comes with all the extra laces. So this one has some strong value. I'm not really sure what the hype market is on this anymore. It's really interesting because I don't even see Vapormax being made anymore. Are they discontinued? Answer in the comments below because I have not seen any new ones like popping up on the market recently. Okay, 700 bucks. Let's get it. Size 9.5. Oh, okay. We got a pair of Inertias. Dude, this is the second time I've gotten an Inertia 700 in a box. And every time I get these now, I feel like I want to get a personal pair. Because the colorway on this is not bad. It's actually a pretty functional shoe. And this one is in worn condition too. Dirty bottoms. But upper, very, very well kept. Doesn't look like there's any damages at all. I'm looking. Even the inside, not a lot of sock lint. So I would say it was worn maybe less than 5 times. Just very dirty bottoms. But overall in solid condition. So this one will fetch a good amount of money. And now for the last shoe of the box. This is a box I have not seen before. It's really, really heavy too. And yeah, I don't know. Have you guys seen this before? Air Jordan over the top. And it's like in all cardboard. Size 11, Jordan 1. I think I know what this is actually now. Jordan 1. There should be a metal case if I'm correct. Whoa, dude, this is this is a journey to open. Look at this. Gotta pull this over. And then, after all of that, you get like this metal lunchbox crate. This thing is pretty cool. It says Air Jordan over here. Definitely looks legit. Got a handle, all those like straps and stuff on there. So this should be a pair of the Japan Jordan 1s in the special box series. And wow, it is. And also, it is in dead stock condition, guys. This is pretty dope. So, is this the recent one that just came out? Size 11, and yeah, I believe this is the 2020 one that just came out. So I didn't know that this is how it looks when it's in the special box. This is called the Midnight Navy Jordan 1, and it was dropped exclusively in Japan. So even the tag over here is all written in like katakana, kanji, and hiragana over here. So it's all in Japanese. It also comes with a silver Jumpman on the inside. Check that out. It's a little like a metallic Jordan over here. Very cool. Lace bag still attached too. What's wild is that this thing, I guess, sold on StockX. I'll cover up the name. Sold for this amount of money, $690. So if that's really what the price is, and I mean, it is still in brand new condition, then that's very solid. I didn't think it would be going for that much, to be honest. I think it's like $300 without the case, but let's be real. This case by itself is pretty cool. I wish all Jordan 1s came like this because this case is legit. Okay, so that's actually it for this mystery box. I would say it was pretty good. We got the Yeezy 700, that DS Jordan 1, an off-white, a couple concepts boxes, a mix of brand new shoes, old shoes. I do think this is probably gonna catch maybe 600-700 on the counter over here. So that would be a pretty solid profit margin, but I won't be selling it for those prices for sure. They're definitely going for the member prices on the website. So if you guys wanna save a bunch of money on that, make sure you guys sign up for a membership. The shoes do sell pretty fast, but usually there's a couple shoes that are left over every week. If there are shoes left over, we actually drop the price every week by $10 until eventually it is free. We haven't actually hit free yet, but I'm sure one of these days there's going to be a shoe that nobody wants, and then it'll be free on the web store. So just pay attention, keep tracking those shoes, and check out the website at untitledway.com. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up before you guys leave. It does help the channel a lot. Appreciate everybody that hits the like button, and drop a comment if you guys enjoyed this box too. And anyway, guys, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!